So we've shown the antioxidant value, but I'm going to show you something else too. There's a thing called an ORP meter. This is a instrument that tells me a reading. If it's a positive reading, it's oxidation. Okay, like when the apple turns brown. So I'm going to take this probe out and I'm going to try to see what our reading is. Anywhere from positive 50 down to negative 200 is good water. Okay, past that negative mark, your body really can't assimilate anything. So I'm going to just turn this on, and we're going to see where this water ends up. Okay? Let's just see where it ends up here. I don't know if you can see that, but we're just going to make it to where you can. Okay? So I'm not sure what that shows. Let's just see here. It's about a positive 330 on this water here, Deja Blue. Let's go to the next one and see what it does. Okay, and it should end up in the 200 somewhere. Let's just see. It's still 320 something. Okay, let's just go to the next water and see what it is. Okay, this is the Penta water. Penta water is coming down a little bit, 318. Okay, let's just try the next one. Let's just go to Smart Water, see what it does. Okay, so I'm just showing you exactly whether the water. Remember, if it's a positive number, which it is, it's oxidizing, aging the cells. It's not doing anything for free radical damage. It's not giving me any antioxidant value, which is obvious from the drops we used. Okay, so this is in the 200s and something. I want you to see something though. When I put this kind of water through here, let's see what this water does. Okay? Let's see if it's antioxidant, because if it is, it'll be in the negative. Okay, negative 50 is straight vitamin C. So let's just see where it ends up and let's see what happens. Guys, it's already negative 70 something. Guys, this water right here is 3 to 4 times what vitamin C would be for the body. It's very evident through science here. This is why we need the water. What are the benefits? I had a shoulder that just wasn't going to move. I pitched a baseball whenever I was younger. I had problems sleeping on it, all kinds of stuff. But because my joints are 83% water, a couple of months of drinking this kind of water, I don't have the joint pain anymore. My acid reflux, because it's mainly concerned with acidity in the body, in a month and a half, gone. I don't have the acid reflux anymore. So it's been amazing for me in my life with the water, and it has been for many people. I think this is around negative 175. Guys, that's 3.5 times better than vitamin C. Remember, straight vitamin C is negative 50. So this is pretty much proof that what I'm telling you is the absolute truth. Okay? So we're just going to turn that off. We're going to come over here and we're going to do one more test that I think is real critical, because, you know, we're told all the time we need to absorb and drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. By the way, how much water do you think you should be drinking? Let me tell you how much you should be drinking. Half of your body weight in ounces. Okay? So let's just move this kind of out of the way, and I'm going to do a little simple test here. I'm going to do a green tea test. Let's see about the absorption rate, you know, because if I'm going to drink the water, then it has to absorb with the mineral content that I need in the body. Now, it's been shown that these don't have it. This has no antioxidant. We've tested 400 waters, Avion, Fiji, Ozarka, this one, that one. Doesn't matter. I take those waters, pour it through here, it becomes high alkaline antioxidant. Without it, it has none. Okay, so tap water doesn't have it either. Okay, it's just neutral. It has a lot of chemical in the water. A lot of places now have gotten notices that they really shouldn't drink the tap water at certain times, different areas. Guys, there's a lot of chemical and stuff in tap water. So, and it has TDS, total dissolved solids in the water. At least this water is what they call dead water. And what I'm doing is taking it and turning it into live water. What I've done is take 2 tea bags. Let's just take, doesn't matter which one, they're all about the same, reverse osmosis water. Let's just take Smart Water and let's pour it in here. And let's see what happens. Okay, this is room temperature, so is this. Okay, both same temperature. Like I said, this water is no different than what I poured in through here. I could take any filtered or reverse osmosis water and pour it through here. I wouldn't want to pour tap water through here because it doesn't take the chlorine out. This is not meant to clean the water. We already have a system out here to clean water. You can get water from the Glacier machines, Culligan machines at Walmart or wherever, different stores, and then pour that water through here and it becomes the best water in the world. Okay, so we're going to take this and we're going to pour that in here and see what happens. Okay? Guys, this is already making tea at room temperature. Okay? So what I'm going to show you is that let's take and put this over here. This is made no tea. Let's take another water. This is Dasani. And let's pour this. See what this does. Okay? That doesn't make tea either. And I'm going to explain to you why it's not making tea. Okay? Let's just take this and put this over here and let's see what happens. Guys, I can make 10 cups of tea with this tea bag, with this water. Because this is very, very absorbent, high mineral, high alkaline, high antioxidant value water. I can make 10 cups of tea with this because your cells are 58 dynes. So let's just say that's 58 centimeters, okay? The water that we have out here is anywhere from 75 to 120 dynes, or centimeters, if you will. Just figure that, okay, so that we can see what I'm talking about. When you try to fit the 75 to 120 and 58 in the cell, it doesn't work. It doesn't work, okay? But when I change the water with the mineral content, with the ceramic, all the ceramic does is let the water absorb in and get the minerals out of the ceramic and give me the highest water, quality water, really best natural water that has high antioxidant alkaline on the planet. What it does is it changes it to 51 on that 58 so that it fits into the cell structure. It works. You get hydration, you get the mineral content, you get high alkalinity, you get high antioxidants, so that you have exactly what you need in the water. Now guys, let me show you something, because a lot of times, let's just pour this out. People think, well, what if that was a trick tea bag or something? Well, let's just see if it is, okay? And right here, guys, what I tell people on this is, was it the tea bag or was it the water? It is definitely the water. The water can change your life. It changes the blood, because 92% of your blood is water. The brain is 85% water. Your joints are 83% water. Your body is 70-75% water. As far as you drinking water whenever you're thirsty, guys, after 35 to 40, your thirst mechanism is gone. You know, everything has a life cycle. We're born, we grow to maturity, then we start down the other side. Would it make sense that your thirst mechanism goes away so that the body can prepare to go back to soil? So wouldn't it make sense, if you want to have a healthier life, to drink the right kind of water? That's what we're showing today. That's our mission at Dreamtree, is to show people the right way to drink the water, the natural way to get the best water for them and their family.